Hello everybody, it's Max here again today, and I'm going to be doing another spray paint tutorial. This is the picture that we're going to be doing. It's quite a basic picture, so let's get started. So what I'm doing here is I'm just getting my circular lids and putting them in the place that I want them to be in. So I'm doing 3 planets, so I've got 3 circular lids, all different sizes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my black spray paint, and I'm just going to lightly spray all around the circular lids just to give a rough outline of where you need to put your spray paint. There we go, as you can see. Now I'm going to get my black and just lay that down for my first planet. Just a thin layer of that. Then my white. Then I'm going to grab my magazine sheet, scrunch it up, then when I unveil it, it will be all creased, and then you just lay that on your planet and just rub your fingers over it, so then it will give you a texture. If you use your nails you can get quite a nice texture, and yeah, it just looks really cool. So you can see I had some small bits at the bottom, so I just repeated that process and did it again. There you go. So now I'm going to grab my white and just spray a thin layer of that down. Then my black. And then I'm going to do the same for the small planet, white. And then my black. And I'm just going to lay my paper over it and then just peel it off. I just did 2 at a time so then it'd be easier. It doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to add some shading. I was just pointing out that the light source is going to be in the top left hand corner. So the shading will be around the bottoms of all the planets, around kind of the bottom right. And I'm just going to paste my circular lids down. I'm going to do the same for the other 2 planets. There you go. Now I'm going to grab my black spray paint and just spray all over the canvas. I sped this up so then you didn't have to watch me do it. Then I'm going to get my blue and do it all over again. Sorry about the glare in this video, it was really bright outside. Sorry if you can't see it. I'll go and have a look at the picture that I put at the start so then you can see it. So I did put quite a lot of blue down. I should make sure I got under the lids, because it can leave a white line where you haven't sprayed underneath. So I just made sure I did that. Okay, now I'm going to get my white and hold it at a 45-degree angle and just spray it up, and it leaves with loads of little white dots which basically count as stars. Now I'm going to do my shooting stars. So what you do, if you have to hold your can vertically down and then just push really hard, and it creates this effect. The harder you push, the further it will go. So you can either push a small bit if you're only doing like a corner, or a big bit if you're trying to do part of the page. Now I'm going to reveal my planets. There's the first one. There's the second one. And there's the third.